Hi guys, this is sort of a charity shop gold or garbage episode, and also a let's make one of those 3D wooden clip together kit episodes. Been to the charity shop and picked up 4 of these wooden kits, 49p each, which is okay. The problem is there's no instructions. So this really will be a 3D puzzle because I'm going to have to work it out from scratch. I've done quite a few of these. This is clearly a dinosaur, a T-Rex type assembly. So we should be okay. But I thought I'd sit here and do it at the dining table rather than in my car where I normally do them. So yeah, that's what we're going to do. So charity shop, I've got, yeah, it's 4 of these. None of them have got the instructions. So just make that a little bit more fun. There's a couple of obvious bits. That's part of the main body or backbone, and that's obviously the tail. So we can probably start there and work from there. The important bit will be working out how they join together. Oh, the noise in the background is the washing machine, if you can hear it. Ooh, that's going to need some trimming, I think. Right, well, as I say, there's no doubt that's the tail. So that must be the head, or the body, I suppose. Question is, that way or that way? I reckon that way. I reckon that's going to be the joining piece. Which way round is it going to join now? You've got a 50-50 chance, haven't you? It's either going to be that way round or the other way round. We'll guess like that for now. That's the arms. Those bits I recognise. Go underneath that bit. I reckon that's the middle of the head. So generally looks something like that. Yeah, that looks about right. So So that's probably going to go on there. Right. I don't know if that's the right piece there. A couple more bits. I remember on the dinosaurs, that bit's underneath the hips. It's going to have to be that piece. I hope you can hear me over the washing machine. Yeah, generally that comes down like that. That usually goes something like that. Something like that. I may be wrong. Bits there. Ah, yeah, that makes sense. I can see how that's going to go. That's going to go on there like that, which I'll do in a minute. And that's going to sit on there. Something like that, I think. Yeah, that looks about right. I think I've got the right idea. Needs to be in there. Yeah, that looks about right. I don't think I'd have been able to work this out completely from scratch. I mean, I have done quite a few of these before, so I've got a rough idea of how they're going to go together. That's obviously the legs. So I'm not gluing anything quite yet until I'm happy that we've got the general idea, which I think we have. And the rest of these, some are going to be along the top, And some of them will be along there. Right, that one is obviously one of the ribs, and it's got the extra little bits on it for the arms to go on. I recognise those. A matter of choosing where it's going to go. Let's try the third one down for now. And I reckon he'll get thinner towards the front. They look virtually identical, but okay. It's a matter of which one of these is which. We'll compare them for size. That one looks like the biggest. Yeah, so I reckon biggest right behind where the arms are. Maybe not. No, looks like biggest is going to go right at the back there. Yeah, that sort of looks right. And the rest of these are going to go down the back. Try and judge them for size. All of them done, chuck that away. I have been saving the plywood, but I've got so much of it now, I've run out of space, so it's going to have to go to the recycling centre. I reckon they're in order. Yeah, can't see any other way that can go. That just leaves the two little arms for the front. I reckon put them the other way round, on that side, that one on that side, head on there, bring it back into view on the camera. I wasn't keeping an eye on the camera, I was drifting just off the top of the screen, wasn't I? Still, there we are, done, quite quickly too. We'll give it a bit of glue. Or at least we would. This one's jammed up, I need to push something in. Better. Oh, camera just ran out. It does about 20 minutes, or is it? No, I'm doing 60 frames per second, so it does less than 20 minutes. That's what confuses me. Always used to run for about 23 minutes each time, but running at 60 frames per second, it only does about 17 minutes. Anyway, there we go, job done. Haven't got a picture to go next to it, which I would normally do, so you can compare it to the original picture, because we have no picture. But I would say that was supposed to be a Tyrannosaurus Rex. Job done. Thanks for watching. If you like that, then you might like this. And if you like this and that, you might like to subscribe over there.